Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, spiritual community. Giving myself a challenge today, doing something different. This is going to be a vlog, using a little bit of my creativity. And oh, do I have a challenge today? We're gonna do a tray flip today, and it's one of those tricks. If you're a skateboarder, it's one of those tricks that when you land it, you feel like you're on top of the world. I haven't landed a solid tray flip before, so this will definitely be like a great moment to share with you guys. And I'm gonna stick it out. I'm gonna go through the falls, the pains. By the way, I'm facing the wind and the cold also, so I just thought I'd give myself a small challenge today and turn this into a vlog. Oh, by the way, I got a little bit of Easy going on, Easy used to skateboard, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, doing something different today. Hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Let's get it. Boom. No, I didn't show you guys a video of me brushing my teeth, getting my hair together, and putting my clothes on. I did meditate to prepare myself for this great moment today. I will land this tray flip today. I'm determined. Again, this vlog is just pure motivation through skateboarding. You can gain any type of motivation from this. Woke up early in the morning, had a goal in mind. Throughout everything going on in the world right now, still looking at the world through a positive lens. By the way, I'm doing some intermittent fasting here lately. So I'm doing this on an empty stomach. So that means that I am going to earn my first meal today. Should check out some intermittent fasting research, AKA less constipation, AKA better bowel movements throughout the day. So yeah, it's pretty much just like calculated times to eat your meals throughout the day. It's a bit chilly outside. Through trial and error, I'm gonna be just doing some practicing first, building myself up to it. Ollies, kick flips, pop shove-its, maybe some varial kick flips. We're gonna get this tray flip today. So glad you guys tuned in for this vlog. Tell you what, when I land this tray flip, I'm going to treat myself to a green smoothie today. We're gonna drink a green smoothie today, y'all. Don't forget to let that inner child out sometimes too. Let's go. I need to get some new skate shoes and a new deck. This deck's about done, but DGK all day, dirty ghetto kids, but we still gonna accomplish this goal. I don't care if I'm here for hours. I don't care if I'm here from sunrise to sunset. I don't care if people come over here to play tennis. I'll get out the way, just to be respectful. But we gonna get this tray flip. Yeah, we gonna crank it up. Let's go. We gonna get this tray flip. I need to do some stretches though first, because I'm not trying to fuck my ankle up, and I'm not trying to hurt my knees. And I'm cutting myself some slack today also, because I'm skipping the workout day. So there's that. know, me and kickflips, we have a up and down relationship, but today we getting it done. There we go. Let's go. So, I gave you guys some ollies, pop shove-its, kick flips, varial kick flips. I was building myself up. So if you look at this from a motivation point of view, whether it be a small goal or a big goal, you have to stay focused, you have to believe in yourself, and you gotta be able to tell yourself, I can do this. I got this. I have what it takes to achieve this goal. That's what I'm showing you right now in action. Sometimes it's good to start from small, to start from nothing, and then you build yourself up. I could have came out here and just strictly got straight to tray flips, but I said, no, I haven't did it in a while. I need to warm up. Let me build myself up to it. Ollie, pop shove it, kick flip, varial kick flip. Some people might even add 360 pop shove it, but we gonna skip that one today. Now to the main event. All praise to the Most High. Out here sun gazing. We gonna land this tray flip. So all the skateboarders out there, y'all know how it feels when it's cold outside and the bottom of your shoes have no not have a lot of grip, a lot of support, and your feet hurt really bad. Yeah, that's starting to kick in, but it's not gonna stop. Let's go! Let's go! This is monumental. Hold on. Life and waves are alike. They never stop. I got more to show you though. I don't mean to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in. Only people who watch Cartoon Network in the mornings as a child remembers that song. Yo, landed my first tray flip. I didn't stop. I kept going. It got done. I fell a few times. I kept going. That's my way of showing you motivation in action. I will conclude this vlog with the first sip. Earlier I said I was gonna get a green smoothie, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself. I decided to get a cherry smoothie. Wow. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. Keep the faith. I'm proud of myself. Shout out to all the skaters out there. Whoever you are, or wherever you are, I hope that you're continue to love yourself, keep the faith, strive to proceed forward, motivation, uplifting your spirit, and change your mood and mind from negative to positive. Life and waves are alike. They never stop.